Hey, thanks for watching. It's Trevor Russell here, and I'm with my good friend Cameron Buchanan, who is one of the directors of a company here in the Gold Coast called IDTA, which is International Day Trading Academy. And we've been doing some great work together on marketing, sales, enrollment, strategy, and all that good stuff. And I just thought it might be helpful to share something that we're working on for this Saturday, which is an open day to let the world know about this whole world of trading. And Cam, so over to you really quickly. What is it that IDTA does as a trading academy? Yes, let's start there.
Yeah, well, hi guys. Well, what we do, Trev, is we introduce people to the world of trading.
Okay.
So we get a lot of people from a lot of different backgrounds, people that have traded before, and a lot of people that have done nothing, have no idea what trading is.
So brand new to trading.
Completely new.
Okay.
So, and basically we're very specific in what we do. We're very niche. We focus purely on the futures markets.
Okay.
And a lot
so
of
not
people,
Bitcoin, not shares, not bonds.
No, not bonds, not
futures.
options, forex, nothing like. It's just pure futures. Now, a lot of people can get confused and get overawed by the name futures because it's like, oh, what does that mean?
Trading.
Yeah. So the great thing is you don't need to know all of the ins and outs about the specific markets initially. You'll learn that along the way. But
why futures?
The main thing is why we teach people futures is because it's the best opportunity to trade on a short period of time. So we want to be in our trades, in and out of our trades within 5 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Some of our trades take less, but we don't want to be in the market for a long time. So the futures markets allow for that type of ability to make really good money in a short amount of time.
Okay.
So we're in and out traders. And the reason why we are like that is because we're like everyone else in the world. We're busy, we're time poor, we got lots of other things to do. So when we want to create money and make money, we want to do it in the shortest amount of time possible. You know, that's real leverage. Because as traders, we get paid not on the hour, we get paid on our ability and our skill.
Okay.
Right? So
which is really what you do.
If we're a really good trader and we're really patient and dedicated and we've got a great system that we can trust and we know when to push that button, we can make great money in a short amount of time. Okay. Now, we don't always have wins. We do lose money as well. So it's not all winners, but there's a lot of money management involved in that as well. So look, I think it's exciting, it's fun, it's competitive, it's global, it's massive, and
you can do it from home.
You can do it from home.
Anywhere you've got internet.
And it's recession proof because you can trade when the markets are actually falling.
Okay.
And what we're going through right now, we've seen the markets, you know, in the last 10 years, we've seen the financial markets go up. Okay. Even if you don't follow the markets, you would know that the economy is buzzing at the moment. Property prices have been going up for many, many years. You know, your superannuation funds, you probably would have noticed, have been going up and up over time.
We hope.
Yeah, well, they have been. Like, even if you just got any average Joe Blow share fund, managed fund, you'd be doing pretty good just sitting it in there because the market's been so strong, right? So what that means is things can't always go up, right? We live in this boom and bust cycle. It's just the way of the world, and it has been for 200 years. So things go up and things go down. So futures is a way that you can take advantage of when markets fall. Yeah,
because you can trade the market going down and up.
Yeah, so
once you know what you're doing.
So it's absolutely brilliant. Okay. Like, it is the best thing.
This guy loves talking about trading. Yeah. So Cam, there's a workshop on this Saturday.
That's correct.
This is an opportunity to hear from Cameron and Lachlan, the other director of IDTA, and the team, and they will be taking people through the whole process of what futures trading is, how it works. And from me to you, and someone that's always really committed to helping people get better results, if you have ever considered the world of trading, or maybe you've kind of looked at it in the past or you're doing it, you might want to learn how to look at doing it differently. This might be a day that you want to have a look at. It's live. You can come here to the Burleigh office or you can live stream log in. I will put a link below. And if nothing else, the way I look at it, it's good to know what's going on out there, because the reality is, we do have this whole global market that runs, and the great thing about what the guys will show you on Saturday is an understanding of the economy, the global markets, and what really good systemized structured trading can be. So Cam, I've got the details. I'll see you on Saturday.
Thanks, Trevor.
And thanks for watching, and we might see you there on Saturday. Ciao for now.
Thanks, guys. See you.